testing is ongoing process for us.
The World Bank has decided to assist the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council on solid waste management. This decision was taken on Monday after a meeting of the executive members of the KHADC along with officials of the World Bank. During the meeting, the KHADC made a presentation to the officials of the World Bank. KHADC Chief Executive Member Titos Stawel Khan informed that on Tuesday there will be a site visit to see how the waste are managed. He said it is the duty of the council to take care of the waste management under its jurisdiction as per the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Solid Waste Management Act 2020. The CM said that since the Solid Waste Management Cell has been set up in the KHADC, it has started holding awareness programs in various villages.
Plastic
What do you mean?
Ka bangingin na kaliang ka council ngin ay ka support kamot kumno ban hikay ki brio kumno ban awareness ki brio kumno ban secret ki jabo jabay ba kum tater but hakani ka program ka chungi mantanang ni sakman kalong kumno ban hikay ki brio additionally ngidon ya ka rukom lumnyot ha ki snong ki taw ki chungi mo kitip ki don ki snong ki ba ki phol ki yeng ki sem ki bai chu ti de ki thlio ki flowing ki choki ai jing bam ki jingri ki bangiri bat ka ba kongsan ka long kumno pat ban dispose ki dry waste.
A two-day national work